Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel data analysis section. In this section, you are going to learn how to analyze data and how to find the answers to all the complicated questions, to all the questions you may have related to this data. So what we are going to do, let us first understand that, and for that, first of all, let us take a look at the data that is available on this particular Excel sheet. So if you take a look, the first column is transaction date. So basically this sheet contains all the sales transactions that the business have made. So we can see that on which date you have made this sales, and on the basis of this date column, we would like to know that which are the dates where the business is making most sales and which dates business is not making very good sales. Only once we know that which dates are good for our business and which are not, we can plan our business accordingly, and we can respond to the market challenges accordingly. So for example, if there are few dates where we are not making very good sales, we will then next be able to find out what are the reasons, and after that we can try to address those problems. But the first question that you need to answer is which dates are good for your business and which are not. And then we have the product information, which contains product ID, brand and name. And you can see that all the different brands and the products that you have sold, you can see here in this sheet. And on that basis, you would like to analyze that which brands are performing good, which products are performing good, and which are not. And then you can cross-examine them, that which brands are performing good in different areas and which are not. And then you can try to address those problems as well. And here we have our next standard information, that is product price, cost, and let's move forward from that. The next information that we have is, if we can take a look here on this screen here. So the first information in this particular segment is customer ID, and then customer name and the date of birth and yearly income and gender and total children and their membership card. So once you can see all of this information, you should be able to analyze that which customers are your best customers, and then you should be able to study what are different characteristics in these customers that are making them unique, so that you can market your products accordingly. And then you can also see that as we have the date of birth available, you can see that which age group is the one where we are able to make the most sales, and which yearly income level is the one where we are able to make more sales, so that we can target the market accordingly, and which gender is making the more purchase from us, so that we can target our customers accordingly, and what are the number of children and the family which is making most purchases from us is having, so that we should be able to focus accordingly. And then membership card. So here you can see that we will be able to analyze that which membership card the customers are having who are making the most purchases from us. So basically that is quite a lot of information available on customers, so that we can see that which type of customers are our best consumer. And similarly, here we have the information on a store, where we can see what is the store ID and store type. What is store type? Basically, you can see there are superstores, there are small grocery shops. As we can see, we will be able to analyze the sales on different store types as well. And then we have store city, state and country. So you should be able to see that how much sales you have made in each country, and in each country how much sales you have made in each state and in each city. And then you can see which states, cities and countries are your best markets. And then you have the total square feet of the area of the store, that how big was the store, so that you can analyze that where you are making the most sales over the square feet area you have, the efficiency you can find out. And then the quantity of the transaction and the sales revenue and the cost and profit and loss and profit margin. So you can see that we have quite a lot of information available in this sheet to basically extract that which markets, which customers, which brands are doing good and which are not, so that we can optimize our business and sales strategy accordingly. So the next task that we have to do is how to find these answers, and that is what we are going to do next.